Hi, I'm Jose Ferrer, Product Line Manager for Oil Lift Technology, representing progressing cavity pumps, drive heads, and Rod-Lock BOPs. With me, Diego Prieto. He's one of our seasoned engineers, experts in our product line. In this video, we will review operational practices and explain step-by-step instructions for opening and closing Rod-Lock BOPs.
Oil Lift's patented Rod-Lock BOPs suspend the polished rod and rod string and isolate tubing pressure in the well. This allows operators to safely perform field service and maintenance activities such as replacing PCP drive head belts, changing out drives, repairing stuffing boxes, and adjusting stroke lengths. Safety is job number one. Always ensure you are equipped with the proper PPE and that it is in good functioning condition, including hard hat, eye protection, and gloves. Also, please be sure to follow all applicable well site and shop safety regulations and policies. Detailed instructions for procedures covered in this video are available in Oil Lift Technology's operations and maintenance manuals for thread-on and bolt-on rod locks. Let's start with the thread-on or single rod lock design. Once properly installed adhering to the directions specified in the manual, the rod lock can be safely operated following these procedures. For BOP operations, to isolate tubing pressure below the rod lock, rotate the piston stems until polished rod contact is made. Confirm piston position using the scribe lines to ensure equal travel of each piston. Next, tighten the stems to 800 foot-pounds of torque using a properly calibrated torque wrench. A bleed valve should be used to release trapped pressure and to confirm a positive BOP seal on the polished rod. By actuating the stems, the ram slides into the bore to isolate tubing pressure. Rams can accommodate either blind seals or polished rod seals. Follow approved safe operating procedures for drive head removal or any other operation on surface. After operation, when the rod lock is no longer being used, the stem bolt must be turned counterclockwise until the scribe line is again visible. This indicates that it is fully disengaged. Now let's look at the lockout procedure for the bolt-on dual rod lock. Once properly installed according to the directions specified in the manual, the rod lock can be safely operated following these procedures. Dual rod locks are designed to lock out both the BOP and the polished rod clamp. Start by turning the ram stems clockwise until the scribe line on the stem bolt is even with the end cap wiper seal. Ensure the stem bolt protrusion is an equal distance from the end caps. Ensure the polished rod is centered and there is positive ram engagement. Tighten one clamp bolt to 800 foot-pounds of torque using a properly calibrated torque wrench. Next, tighten the other clamp bolt to 800 foot-pounds. A bleed valve should be used to release trapped pressure and to confirm a positive rod lock BOP seal on the polished rod. After operation, when the rod lock is no longer being used, the stem bolt must be turned counterclockwise until the scribe line is again visible. This indicates that it is fully disengaged. Remember, to ensure the polished rod is secure and the BOP is properly sealed, we recommend torquing to 800 foot-pounds prior to performing any service work. Please contact Oil Lift Technology if you have any questions.